The secret to using gift cards for money orders revealed. Hey everyone, today we're diving into a hot topic that might just change the way you look at those unused gift cards gathering dust in your drawer. Ever wondered, can I actually use a gift card to buy a money order? Well, you're in the right place to find out. Most people think it's impossible. Major players like Western Union, 7-Eleven, and even the US Postal Service typically only accept cash or debit cards for money orders. But here's where it gets interesting. I've done the legwork and found that stores like Walmart, CVS, and Walgreens might just be your ticket to bypassing traditional payment methods. These stores sometimes accept Visa and MasterCard branded gift cards for money orders. However, it's not always a walk in the park. Here's the caveat. The acceptance of gift cards for money orders isn't guaranteed and can depend heavily on the store location and who you deal with at the counter. Yep, I've had a few awkward moments at the service desk myself. Potential pitfalls to watch out for. 1. Transaction fees. Using a gift card might incur additional fees as the transaction could be coded as a cash advance. 2. Partial payments. Your gift card balance might not cover the full amount, and some stores set a cap on how much you can purchase with a gift card. So is it worth it? It's possible, but you've got to be at the right place with the right employee and ready for some potential hurdles. For those who love squeezing every bit of value out of their gift cards, it might just be worth the extra effort. For a deeper dive into how you can make this work, including step-by-step instructions and more insider tips, check out the full article linked below. And hey, why stop there? Sign up for our free financial newsletter for more ingenious tips and tricks. And don't forget to visit our blog at michaelryanmoney.com for even more financial wisdom. Check out these related reads you might find interesting. How to get cash from a Visa gift card. How to use a Visa gift card on Amazon. How to combine Visa gift cards. Got a story or a tip about using gift cards for financial maneuvers? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear about it. Remember, navigating your financial options with knowledge and caution can make all the difference. Keep exploring, keep learning, and let's make the most out of what we have. Catch you next time.